All right, guys, we have the front seats pulled out of our customer's 2012 Raptor SuperCrew. And before we install the driver's side upholstery, I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the original factory covers to the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery. We built this leather-trimmed upholstery kit in single-tone black with all of the double stitching and top stitching finished in a contrasting cement thread. We also perforated the insert sections and included the necessary high-flow backing to accommodate the factory seat ventilation system. This kit was built on our recommended premium leather trimmed content, which features a combination of leather and matching vinyl with more leather than what is typically offered in a Ford factory leather trimmed interior. And for those of you looking for the most leather available, we offer a 100% leather upgrade. For those of you DIYers, this installation will require hog rings and hog ring pliers, and for optimal fitment, an upholstery or clothing steamer. If you don't want to tackle this install yourself, give us a call and we'll see if we have a recommended installer in your area. For the first gen Raptor, we do offer an optional console lid cover that upgrades the factory vinyl lid to real leather. But for this build, our customer requested our Sanctum wireless charging console lid upgrade in black with contrasting cement stitching and accent ring to complement the seats. If you have any questions about this product, be sure to check out the installation video that shows more about how the process works.